prove those losing faith in judiciary wrong. Fubara charges judges and lawyers. Port Harcourt, Rivers State Governor Sir Siminalayi Fubara has charged judicial officers and all legal practitioners to be more dutiful in eliciting citizens' trust in the ability of the judiciary to confidently dispense justice according to law. The governor maintained that the judiciary must remain upright, independent, free and fearless if it must play its role as an important ally in the collective quest for human security and progress of any society. Governor Fubara gave the charge while speaking at the special court session organized to mark the opening of the 2024-2025 legal year at the Rivers State High Court premises in Port Harcourt. The governor, according to a statement signed by his chief press secretary Nelson Chukwudi, said, "The judiciary must always be on the side of the law, no matter the pressure, which is why it is considered as the last hope of the common man." He insisted under our constitution, the executive arm and the judiciary play different roles as separate and independent arms of government. However, we both share an enormous constitutional responsibility to uphold the rule of law and ensure sustainable peace and security in our state through effective administration of substantive justice to all citizens. For us, therefore, the judiciary remains an important ally in our collective quest for human security and progress, as no society will progress without an independent, free and fearless judiciary. Even democracy will not endure without the judiciary serving as its guardian angel. Yes, so because now that Wike is buying all of them, Wike is compromising all of them, I hope they know that they are the last hope of the common citizens. Because every small thing he will say go to court because he knows that he has bought over the people in the court, which is not supposed to be so. They're supposed to uphold the law, to judge well, to judge right for the common citizens, for innocent people, and not say that, okay, because this person has paid me, then I'm going to rule in that person's favor. They should really stop this their what's it called? Their compromising thing that they are doing. Letting somebody to penetrate them and compromising them, it is not done. They really need to change. Governor Fubara noted that the judiciary in Rivers State has remained a crest of pride for being stable, independent, productively effective and devoid of controversies often associated with its peers elsewhere. He lauded magistrates and judicial officers in the state who have maintained faithful to their judicial oath as they discharge their service to the state and contributed immensely to its advancement. He said, "We also thank all other stakeholders, including the bar, the bench, judicial workers and the security agencies for the positive roles they have played in strengthening the judiciary and advancing the rule of law, judicial independence and administration of justice in the state." Governor Fubara, however, said that it is not yet time to rest on the laurels achieved because there are still areas requiring improvement, stressing that more has to be done to ensure universal access and speedy dispensation of justice, which are fundamental for earning the trust and confidence of all citizens. He assured that as a government, its administration will remain alive to its constitutional responsibilities to the state's judiciary. Governor Fubara said, "Since assuming office, we have done a lot to honor legal commitments to create a conducive environment for the judiciary to thrive. We have respected and will continue to respect the autonomy and independence of the judiciary as a separate and co-equal arm of the government. Materially, we have been doing our best within available resources to enable our magistrates and judges to securely discharge their duties without fear of intimidation or interference from any person or entity." Governor Fubara said his administration has provided new vehicles to enhance the comfort and mobility of magistrates appointed in 2018 by the previous administration. He also stated that his administration has facilitated the appointment of 7 new judges to strengthen the judicial system further and enable the judges to cope with the ever-increasing caseload and demand for justice in the state. He added, "We are equally determined to finish construction, furnish and deliver the new High Court complex along Forces Avenue, Old GRA, Port Harcourt before the end of this year." Furthermore, we are working closely with the Chief Judge to renovate and equip all existing courts so that our judges and magistrates can have the comfort and convenience that they deserve to perform their duties. Since UKT is also doing his own, Fubara too should also do his own, just so that may the best man win is the case right now, because Fubara is the governor, and indeed that is what he's supposed to be doing in the state. But Wike's own, it has ulterior motives. We can't say that Fubara's own also have ulterior motives, even though he's looking like it. But of course, he has to do what he has to do. Fubara also has to do something to make the judges to be on his side. Wike too is also doing that, so it is the survival of the fittest here. Furthermore, as we start the new legal year, I wish to reiterate the need to have and sustain the citizens' trust and confidence in our judicial system, which is possible if it can guarantee affordable and effective access and speedy resolution of disputes. Governor Fubara commended the Chief Judge of Rivers State, Justice Simeon Amadi, for his progressive leadership and transformational strides. He urged him to take the state judiciary under his watch to enviable heights as the true last hope of the common man. Governor Fubara also stated the willingness of his administration to continue to provide legal and material support to advance the basic objective of making the Rivers State Judiciary one of the best and most productive in the country. In his address, Chief Judge of Rivers State Justice Simeon Chibuzo Amadi stated that the judiciary under him will continue to promote the rule of law and order in the state. Justice Amadi explained that the Rivers State Judiciary now has 51 judges, with 45 of them of the State High Court and 6 of the Customary Court, adding that between 30th October 2023 and 30th September 2024, a total revenue of 525 million naira, 322,475 naira 85 kobo has been generated. The judiciary, said, also disposed of 22,725 cases, of 31,886 cases brought forward, with 14,791 cases filed and 23,870 cases now pending. On his part, Chief Onueze Okocha San, who spoke on behalf of Senior Advocates of Nigeria, expressed the hope that the courts in Rivers State will continue to discharge their duties to the best of their abilities to avert unnecessary delays that affect the just, efficient, and speedy dispensation of justice. Speaking on behalf of the 8 branches of the Nigerian Bar Association (NBA) in Rivers State, the Port Harcourt branch chairman, Mrs. Cordelia Eke, blamed legal officers for deteriorating legal system, emphasizing that their wrong legal opinions and inability to condemn evil have contributed to making the judiciary the place for needless battle. I really hope that they keep to their word and judge right, fairness. That is what judges should judge. They should not judge because somebody paid them or somebody compromised them. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.